Rapper Lil Durk's legal team is fighting to dismiss his murder for hire case. Lil Durk's legal troubles are far from over. The rapper born Durk Derek Banks has been in custody since October of 2024 following his arrest for an alleged murder for hire scheme. Prosecutors claim he instructed members of his entourage to fly from Chicago to LA in 2022 with the intent to turn off the TV at Quando Rondo. I don't want to say the K word, so I'm going to say he basically tried to turn his TV off, if you know what I'm saying. The incident ended in tragedy when Quando's cousin, Lil Pab Robinson, was offed during a shootout at a gas station. Now, new developments in the case reveal that Durk's defense team is pushing to have the charges dismissed. All Hip Hop's Grouchy Greg Watkins reports that attorney Drew Finland filed a motion arguing that the indictment against Durk lacks the necessary details to ensure a fair trial. While the indictment alleged that the co-conspirators carried out various actions at the direction of Mr. Banks, flying to LA, tracking, stalking, and attempting to turn off the TV at Quando Rondo by gunfire, and procuring the firearms and equipment to use to do so, it fails to give any specifics. Finland wrote, "When, where, how, and to whom did Mr. Banks give these alleged directions? To ensure the basic fairness of the trial, the defense is entitled to know." Finland also criticized the indictment for omitting the key evidence that connects his clients to the act. What the indictment fails to tell us are the very things that the defense is entitled to know. The operative facts underlying the government's theories of Mr. Banks' guilt. There is no allegation here that Mr. Banks physically participated in the stalking and shooting at issue, he continued. A hearing on the matter is scheduled on November 18th. Meanwhile, Durk's trial, which is supposed to take place in August, has been postponed to January of next year because of the case's complex nature, the extensive evidence, and the number of people involved. Now, the thing is, bro, is if these dudes is snitching on Lil Durk, like if these dudes is basically telling the feds that Lil Durk ordered them to do this and ordered them to do that, then there's no way that, the fact that Lil Durk's lawyer is even trying to get these charges dismissed, I think that's a joke. I mean, they obviously have some type of evidence on them. We're hearing rumors that, dudes that was, working directly with Durk snitched on them. We're hearing rumors of dudes wearing wires around Lil Durk, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't think there's any way that this gets dismissed. And ultimately, man, I think that the reason why Lil Durk got caught is because somebody in his team was snitching, bro. Somebody was wearing a wire. Somebody was snitching. And, all of that is obviously going to be